There is so much diversity in every country. There is so much diversity in landscape and nature. It is never possible to perceive everything. Yet, what I see or have received is enormous. It is a great satisfaction to see such a beautiful change of nature. Spring has already begun, and how can I miss this magnificent opportunity? So I captured some beautiful moments in the spring when Washington DC was full of cherry trees, tulips, daffodils, and many other species of birds. Nothing signifies the arrival of spring in the nation's capital, quite like the blooming of the cherry trees and the National Cherry Blossom Festival to celebrate the occasion. The first donation of 2,000 trees received in 1910. Insects and disease had infested the gift and was burned on orders from the then President William Howard Taft. Hearing about the plight of the first batch, the Japanese mayor sent another 3,000 trees to DC 2 years later. The first cherry tree was planted in West Potomac Park, and year after year, the subsequent First Lady planted cherry trees all over the DC, and DC became one of the major hotspots in the world to catch the cherry blossom. We are in the Hans Point now, and it's in the East Potomac Park. It's so beautiful, like whole road is covered with the cherry blossom. This is Hans Point. Basically, Hans Point is the southern end point of this park. This park is East Potomac Park. Potomac is a river. Washington is a river that flows over the Washington, DC. And yeah, it's pretty good. This park is famous for fishing, biking, and even you can walk. It's a 4.1 mile loop trail, and if you're coming in the cherry blossom festival, yeah, it's worth it. I mean, all over the trail or all over the path you will get to see is covered with cherry trees and basically different spaces of cherry trees you will observe, and it's pretty good and it's worth it. And yeah, you just google Hans Point for cherry blossom and you will get to know about the pictures and all these things, and it's pretty good for photography as well. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Like, if you are planning to come in the cherry blossom festival, like Hans Point is you should come. And coming down in the Hans Point or in the East Potomac Park, apart from walking, you can also see, it's amazing, isn't it? Yes, so apart from walking, you can also come via any bike, bike rental or any cycle. So you can see here and there many bikes are there, or many cycles are there. You can just pick it up and scan the barcode and let's go. And yeah, it's a pretty good spot to enjoy basically in the cherry blossom. And yeah, seeing the video, you can see like how beautiful it is. Due to COVID and to control the traffic, State Police has prohibited vehicle access to most of the visiting spot, including Hans Point. So be prepared to walk if you are coming in Cherry Blossom Festival to enjoy these magical areas in Washington DC. Need to mention, Washington DC completely gets decorated with variety of flowers and blossom during the spring. So there is no specific destination to catch those. If you want to avoid the crowd, stop any of the less crowded places wherever you want and enjoy the blossom. We did the same. We are lucky to got access to Hans Point at least in a day after the sunset, when roads are free to vehicle access, and this is what we observe. It's magical.